Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between Starlink Standard and Starlink Mini Speed, which is the best. Alright, let's begin. As satellite internet technology continues to evolve in 2025, Starlink by SpaceX remains the most recognizable name in the field, offering global coverage and competitive speeds even in remote regions. Recently, Starlink introduced a more compact and portable version of its hardware, the Starlink Mini. While the original Starlink standard kit continues to serve households, businesses, and remote offices, the new Mini is aimed at users who need flexibility, mobility, and convenience. But when it comes to speed and performance, how does the Starlink Mini compare to the standard? Which one is truly the best option for you? Let's break it down in this detailed comparison. To begin, let's take a look at Starlink Standard, which has now become a widely adopted solution in many rural and underserved areas. The standard dish, often referred to as Dishy, is known for its robust performance. In 2025, typical speeds for the standard kit range from 100 to 250 megabits per second download, with 20 to 40 Mbps upload, depending on your location, network congestion, and weather conditions. Latency typically hovers between 25 to 50 ms, which is impressive for satellite internet. These speeds are fast enough to stream in 4K, host Zoom meetings, play online games casually, and manage large file transfers. Now enter the Starlink Mini, a newer, more compact device designed for on-the-go users, van lifers, RV travelers, or anyone looking for quick connectivity without permanent installation. One of the biggest selling points of the Mini is its ease of setup. It can be powered via USB CPD, fits easily in a backpack, and connects within minutes. However, the trade-off is its speed. The Mini typically delivers download speeds between 50 to 100 megabits per second and upload speeds of around 5 to 15 megabits per second. Latency is slightly higher than the standard version, often between 40 to 70 ms. While this is more than adequate for casual streaming, browsing, and video calls, it may fall short for users with heavier demands, such as 4K streaming on multiple devices or large-scale file uploads. From a hardware perspective, the differences are also clear. The Starlink standard dish is larger and designed to be mounted permanently on rooftops or poles. It comes with a motorized base that automatically aligns itself with satellites, ensuring optimal connectivity. The Mini, on the other hand, is non-motorized and manually adjusted, meaning the user must point it in the general direction of the satellite constellation. While this reduces the setup complexity and power consumption, it can lead to slightly less stable connections, especially in environments with obstructions like trees or buildings. In terms of portability, Starlink Mini clearly wins. Weighing significantly less and requiring no elaborate mounting, it's ideal for travelers, emergency responders, or digital nomads. It also integrates with Starlink's new global roaming plan, allowing users to get online almost anywhere Starlink has coverage. This level of mobility is simply not possible with the standard kit, which is designed for fixed use cases. When it comes to pricing, the story gets interesting. The Starlink standard kit still has an upfront hardware cost of around $599, with monthly service charges ranging between $90 to $120 depending on the region and data plan. Starlink Mini, meanwhile, is currently priced at around $299 to $499 for the hardware, with slightly higher monthly charges for the portability benefits, especially if using the Roam or Mini Roam plans. This makes the Mini a more budget-friendly option for light users or those who don't need top-tier speeds all the time. Now let's talk about use cases. If you're a family living in a remote home and need consistent internet for work, entertainment, and schooling, the standard kit is hands down the better option. Its higher bandwidth capacity can handle multiple devices and heavier usage loads. On the flip side, if you're a solo traveler, camper, or someone who moves frequently between locations, the Mini will likely meet your needs without requiring bulky hardware or permanent fixtures. It's built for simplicity, and while you sacrifice some speed, you gain freedom and flexibility. Another important factor is reliability during peak hours and weather conditions. The larger standard dish is generally more resilient to weather disruptions due to its broader signal range and motorized tracking. The Mini, being smaller and more sensitive to obstructions, can occasionally suffer drops during storms or in dense environments. So, if you're in an area with extreme weather or you rely on your connection for mission critical work, the standard might be the safer bet. In terms of setup and user experience, both systems are designed to be plug and play. However, the Mini is faster to get up and running, requiring no tools or alignment motors. It connects via the Starlink app just like the standard, showing signal strength, visibility zones, and network status. The Starlink app has been refined in 2025 to offer clearer metrics, including real-time speed testing, outage notifications, and device management. So, which one is better? If you define better by speed and performance, then the Starlink standard is the clear winner. It provides faster downloads, more reliable uploads, and lower latency. It's the right choice for heavy users, families, gamers, or anyone depending on a robust internet connection at a fixed location. But if your definition of better leans more toward portability, simplicity, and affordability, then the Starlink Mini makes a strong case. It allows you to stay connected wherever you go, takes up minimal space, and is priced more accessibly, especially for light or temporary users. Its slower speeds are still more than sufficient for general browsing, HD streaming, and work related tasks like emails and video conferencing. In conclusion, both Starlink Standard and Mini are excellent offerings tailored for different needs. The Standard is the performance king for stationary users, while the Mini is the lightweight champion for mobile lifestyles. Choose based on your internet usage, mobility needs, and budget, and either way, you're getting access to one of the most innovative satellite internet services available in 2025. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.